Good afternoon, MMTs. We have before us today a trade that we trade all the time using options. Priceline recorded quarterly earnings profit. Priceline actually is up $95 right now as we speak. So right here, my MMTs, when we're buying the options and making many, several thousands upon several thousands of dollars, this was a huge home run. I mean, this is something that everybody would want to dream of. But guess what? You can come to here at stockmarketfunding.com. And what will stockmarketfunding.com do for you? In our options, I will be covering those specifically. And Priceline reported quarterly earnings. And like I said, we have been covering Priceline in the options. That's what we trade it with. Click on the free trial tab. Get started today. Very simple. Go through the content. Go back up to trading. Go to open an account. Click on open an account tab. Simply go ahead and listen to the video. Simply go ahead and click open an account. Click getting started today. We will be giving your trading accounts. So if you have a $5,000 account, you're going to have 5,000 times 20 equals $100,000 intraday. If you have a $10,000 account times 20, you're going to have $200,000 intraday. And our market makers, you can be in the live room and they will feed you the entries and the exits. You will also leave all of these online discount brokerage firms with their crappy little platforms that they give away for free. Remember, everybody, something for free, you know there's got to be something wrong. There is no direct access. This is a direct access trading platform. Priceline is up $95. Not only that, on that 60-minute chart, you can clearly see this big breakout. And once again, this is a superstar. We have traded this. We made over $185,000 this year already. Here we go, everybody. If you go over here for the newest people, PCLN, and you type it in here, my friends, and yes, you deserve to be in this bull market. Listen here, you guys. Here's where we were buying Priceline. Huge options trading profits. We were buying the $1,000 calls and the $1,005 calls. Priceline was a huge short. We made lots of money. Here's another trade. We made $185,000 when Priceline was tanking. Yes, we did. And you can see it right here, $185,000. You can take a look. That video was on what? January 15th, 2015. Oh, yes, it was. And you can get all your information right there. Yes, you can. These were huge trades on Priceline. And basically, what we encourage all of our new big traders, hedge fund managers, money managers, new traders coming, market makers that are coming to get our management, to get our capital. Listen, all of it is right here forever on Priceline right here. And basically, Priceline has been the #1 trade so far this year for the stock market makers at stockmarketfunding.com. This was a $185,000 trade. We have come back and actually, with the stock being up $95 today and buying those calls, listen, people, the calls that we were buying, they're $200 in the money. This is far greater than that $185,000 profit that we are showing to you right here. Yes, it is. It is bigger than that. And I'm going to go do another separate call on that options trading. And that's what Priceline looks like. And here is what we call a super gap. This is where Priceline in 2014 had gapped down. And every time it comes up, it rallies up. And there are great short times, great longs, gap downs. We started down here at these bottoms that we had covered in 2015 for all of the option traders. All of the option traders are super rich. And we're testing this top end resistance line right here right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and blow it up on a daily. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go in here on a daily Zoom tool. And what are we going to do? This is that gap. This is that super gap right here. A $95 move, and it gaps up from 1122. That gap was 1195. There's that close. Here is that low end of that gap at 1195. Here's the top end of that high of 1222.88 with a range of 27.52. And my new people around the world and people that want to learn how to trade options, look at this would have made you super money. Yes, indeed. And we are very proud today with the quarterly results on Priceline.com. Join Stock Market Funding today.